Hello and greetings to dear friends. Let's do the Friday test together. We are on version 1 of the Nanshta OIS, and as usual, we've come to take the test for you. A few of my students were with me that night, and now I'm looking at the back tests. I explained to them that if you want to, tests show robot losses and profits. Decide if manual trades, closing positions, extra trades, or adjusting sizes are worth it. Use capital management rules from training. We conduct robot tests and live trading so you can achieve good results without much market knowledge and protect your account. Activate the test and check the spread now. I said we can use them, we just have them now. Based on the robot, we are taking tests and putting live trades so that you, dear ones, even if you don't have much information about the financial markets, know that you can work with this robot and get good results or even avoid losing your account that day. Dear ones, this is very important, so let's activate the test while we are looking at the spirit for a minute. This is the markets trick because it has 8 pips. It has no commission. And now that it has opened the margin, it has gone into profit. But now it has come into profit at $4. Let's see, we could have closed the margin in profit or given you more time. We could have closed the margin in profit, but it is in profit. It has hit you hard. It took 44 mins, and you're at the beginning of the Asian market. Some brokers don't support your trades. I want the robot to trade transparently. So you see all trades. If there's a bad position, you what? We'll manage it. Let's see the market's performance. This sell trade is in profit. The robot's account is negative about $1,000, trading a tenth of a lot. Let's see the potential profit on this sell trade. If not closed, the robot closed it with a small loss. It was in profit, now showing a loss. It was nearly $20 in profit. There is a good performance from the market, and let's see it all together. This sell trade also went into profit. Filan's robot account is negative. At $1,000 with a 10, we are also placing trades. Let's go ahead and see. We could have made a good profit in this sell, but if you didn't close it, robot, read this yourself. You should have closed it with a small loss. You didn't close it. Filan is in loss. With a loss, he closed the sell and closed it. He was in profit for nearly $20. Friday was a great day for trading. Those who trade know that this day was a difficult day and they could rarely make a profit. But the robot has just given you a profit in this flood. Look at this buy. It gave you a profit of about 23s. It gave you a profit of about $35. It gives you a profit of $40. And you could manage this trade, right, and close it. See how the robot compensates us for the losses it has made. This is exactly the same settings I applied to the prop account that we've activated. Other friends who were in the live session knowing what the risk is, don't miss these live sessions, dear ones. They can really help you and provide clarity. Both the back tests and the live sessions, along with the work we're doing for you, are very beneficial. Well, for now, we're in a loss. It's been hit by a lot of people who said that here on the page. Why is it that we are hitting the page? The liquidity has accumulated there, my dear. It could have moved up. Let's see if it's 11, 12. It went into profit and loss. Let's see again. This was the same place where I said we should remove the liquidity and see if I keep this page here. The orders were placed and the cash was taken away and the orders could move from here. It did a reverse just like this. Well, you would have done it. Well, if you are familiar with the market and finance, some people here don't take the cash because the cash was taken away and they say buy. Now you have traded buy. That's the market. Look again there in the trading room if you are a trader. We haven't moved forward based on the scenario. Let's see how the deal works in the end. We have TB. Right now the account is in this much loss. Let's see what ultimately happens. What a good sell this is. It's very close to the buy we had opened during the live session. I didn't close it because I believed it would move higher, and then I opened the sell, which compensated for our loss, and we exited. And the price started to rise again, and I went to TB. Many children wrote their lives off getting TB. This is the end of what you have been called And you have been able to get away with it here. You have been able to get away with it here, but a very powerful and powerful kick has been given to you. You have been given a lot of trouble again. You're a fool again. Oh my, I'm sorry. I'm here to serve you wrong. I started trading here. This is exactly what happened here. We went here. I told the trader that there was a profit of $14. We didn't close. It went down. When I came here, we made some trades, but well, it was in trend. Until the end of the market was in trend. And it didn't give this trade anymore. And this is until the end of the market when we went to these settings that we made. Look at the trade, dear ones. The robot didn't close and held it until the end of the market because its trend was a new trend and it didn't receive any data for Sud. Look, the price went up to nearly $290. There are $30 in profit, and all those losses that were taken into account before, look here, it has been compensated. $40 and $50 are included in this profit, $10. If you want to find the total profits from the morning, we started at 1 a.m. It has become 274. $274 is what the robot has made. Now the robot is at 274, it's 360 in profit. You've made about $85 in profit now, and we could have closed your trades. The last trade I made. The robot didn't take any more trades for us. 27.50, a 104 lawyer. Now the robot is inside. $36 in profit was something like $8 and $5. Now you have taken the profit. And finally, we could close our trades. My dear, I will finally do it. This was the last trade he made. After this, he didn't make any more trades for us. Here, the last trade was executed and the day came to an end. This is the account and the actions the robot has taken. You can see it has given you a profit of $79 and the commission and spread have been accounted for. In the end, everything is clear. And the guys were trading that day and saw everything completely transparently. My dear, until the next backtest, goodbye and have a great Friday.